washing up part of camping. You notice that it's generally not included in a lot of videos people making about camping. Almost never see toileting in a video, and hardly ever see washing up in a video. It's telling, you know, like it's something we don't really want to think or talk about, and yet we're doing it every day, more than once, every day. It's like a critical feature of camping that is affecting everyone's experience of camping. You see, the way I've done it here is I boil up water and keep it in a thermos. Whenever the fire's going, I boil up water. I should have some now, actually. And I just do a hot water rinse on everything and then wipe down with a paper towel. So the first wipe of all the food leftovers is the paper towel. That goes into the fire. You know, you could use a cloth towel and wash it if you want, but there's a little bit of food and oil's gone out into this little ash pit here, which is one of the benefits of open fire scars on the ground, is it's a reasonable place to put your washing up waste. But over too many days and the flies start to really congregate, especially if you do something like a tuna meal or something that really attracts them. If that was the case, I would probably dig a hole in here and start putting it in that way, trying to get it under the ground. If digging is not really an option for various reasons, then walking away from camp